Okay, I'm just having a look again at what I got today. And also, I want to hear if you can hear what I hear, which of course just stopped as I press record, but maybe it'll start again. It's 10:15 in the evening. The rain has stopped almost, still slightly dripping a little bit. And yeah, I just checking what I got today. Okay, so here's what. So I'll just look at it, enlarge it a little bit, and have a look closer. And I hope you enjoy the music in the background. I'm sure YouTube will not find any copyright on that. Well, you never know. But what you're hearing is coming from the neighbors, not my music. Yes, karaoke time is here on a Tuesday evening. So I'm not gonna fall asleep if I could try to sleep now. So I might as well do this. Okay, so I probably made this a little bit too sharp. But yeah, I just like to play around to see what the potential is of something. And I can always go back and reprocess it. So basically, yeah, I just want to see the detail here. And since this is a street shot, I like to be quite a lot of detail. Because these images, if they ever be used to their full potential, should be seen big, and you should be able to look at the whole street and see everything. Although I don't necessarily use such a deep aperture, I might use quite a wide aperture, but since it's such a bright day, you still see a lot in focus. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, save. Let's see what else. Oh yeah. See, I like these little moments like this. Hey, there you go. I want 100K of that meat. And here, Mr. delivering the newspaper. And everything else seems good in that moment. These guys are buying some sweet potatoes, I believe. Yeah, I like this picture. Not sure how much anyone else will appreciate it, but I do. Cool. Nothing I want to change there. That's my other favorite picture of the day. Favorite kind man of the day. I just love the detail here. This is the kind of shot I really like. You can see all the detail, and doesn't that just make you want to paint it? For sure. And even like this man here, checking, and this lady, I can't remember what she was doing, peeling something. Graffiti on the wall. What did he have here? So butter. Oh, right, because they have the breads in that container there. It's not expensive, but by this point I had spent all my cash, and I couldn't actually buy one. Well, I did have some cash, but I didn't want to buy bread as well, so I was happy that kind of my budget for the day was done. So this picture I really like. I am going to, just for fun, oh, where did it go? Just for fun, it's right at the end, I think. There it is. For fun, I'm gonna pop it in here, but I'm gonna change to artifacts. Since this one already looks to me like a painting, I just want to see what it looks like with a painting filter. Okay, gotta wait for it. Oh, sounds like maybe the camera can stop. No, it's not too bad. I'll go to sleep soon, cause I would like to go back to that alley. Okay, that's terrible. What if we do this? Okay, I still prefer the original, although it's kind of cool, that graffiti wall. Yeah, still prefer the original here, which is great. If I had to do this, nah, I think the original is much better. Okay, well, I'm gonna try. Some of them work better than others, but this is fine. I actually like it if my pictures work better as pictures. Thank you. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Okay then. Good night.